how you can earn money easily through dropshipping. Hello, welcome back to another video. If you are new on this channel, my name is Niman Nambe. Okay, so today I'm going to share with you how I made 300 Ghana cedi from dropshipping. I know dropshipping is very interesting and is also a topic for most of us who want to make money, on social media, who want to make fast money. Dropshipping is the thing. So if you are interested in such videos, keep watching and click on the like button. Of course, subscribe if you are new to this channel. So let's get into it. So guys, I actually had 300 Ghana cedi hit my Momo accounts in one day as my profit from drop shipping. I know you won't believe that, but please believe me, by the end of this video, by the time I finish telling you my secrets, how I made that 300 Ghana cedi, you will know, you will understand me, and you will appreciate this video. So of course, I will start with point 1. Dropshipping is a kind of business for online business people. Of course, a lot of people love dropshipping. So dropshipping is a kind of business that you do. The dropshipper doesn't own the business. You get a supplier, you are the middle person, and a customer. So the things you need to get before you start dropshipping is a supplier and a customer. Those are the two things you need to get. So I'm going to show you, I'm going to tell you the step-by-step process of beginning a dropshipping business, and that is how come I was able to earn 300 Ghana cedi in a single day through dropshipping. So the first point is to get a winning product. You have to get a winning product. So how do you find such a winning product? Winning product are product that you are going to put into your online shop, into your market, into your social media handles for people to buy them. Okay, so you have to find a winning product. You can find winning products through a lot of social media. Okay, you can find winning product from Facebook. You can find winning products within your community. You can find winning product from the market. Okay, from the market in your communities. Let's say that a winning product can be something that is popular, that has just come out and people are loving it, people are buying it mostly. So anytime someone sees it, the person is interested to purchase it. The person is interested, like, how much does this cost? This is the benefit of this product. So people are interested in those kind of products. That is your winning product. You have to see which winning product is in the market, which winning product is closer to you. You have to see which winning products you can easily get. So first of all, find a winning product. So I got my winning product is that I bought some products from one lady. Yes, she sells herbs and spices and other things. Of course, I'll be listing the winning product that I do at the end of the video, okay, for you guys to see. So it's someone that I have been buying products from. Her products are very nice. So I was like, okay, I want to dropship your products. How do we go about it? She was like, okay, I actually have wholesale prices. Yes, we can go on to do dropshipping for you. No problem, you can dropship my products. So of course you have to find a winning product. You have to get a supplier. Okay, when you get the supplier, you and the supplier will come to an agreement to dropship his or her products. Okay, so basically you have to find a winning product, and that is how I got my winning product. You can also get a winning product from the market. So when you get to the market and you see those winning products, those suppliers, you talk to the person and you come to an agreement that you will drop ship her products. You come to an agreement. The person will of course give you the drop ship prices for you. Okay, the dropship prices are supposed to be somewhat lower than the normal prices that he or she sells to every customer, and that is how you find your winning products and your supplier. Let's get going. Of course, so when you find the winning product and your supplier, you are going to the next level, which is finding or making your online market. Yeah, you heard me. You are going to make an online store. Yes. So what I did is basically creating a WhatsApp group. I used my social medias. I used social media such as Facebook, my WhatsApp status, and also a WhatsApp page that I created, and I was advertising those products on it. So basically I get the products, pictures of the product from my supplier, then I put the prices on those pictures, just grid them and put the prices on it, and of course you post them on social media. Post them on your online market. Those are your social media handles and also the pages that you have created. Of course, if you are doing drop shipping, you have to create a page and get people into your page so that you can advertise those winning products to them. So the next step is, how do you earn after you've advertised? If someone needs a product from your store, the products are not with you, but the products are with your supplier. So how do you earn from that? So if you get someone to buy the product from your store, you are going to get them pay the money directly to you, because the price that you are giving to them, you are going to include your profits. Then the customer will pay the money directly into your account. Then you will get the supplier to send the product directly to your customer. You are not even going to see the products. That is drop shipping, and that is how drop shipping is easy. That is how you can earn money easily through drop shipping. You are not going to see the customer, you might not see the supplier, and you might not see the products. All you need to come out to do is to get the customer, get the supplier to supply the exact products that the customer bought from you, from your online market. Get the supplier to supply the products directly to the customer. Your customer is going to be happy, you are going to be happy, and of course your supplier is going to be happy. So the money is paid into your account, then you send the cost price of the product to the supplier and keep your profit. And that is how you make money from drop shipping. So what I do is that I get people who buy from me wholesale. Of course, you can sell wholesale and then retail. So when you get people to buy the product in a wholesale package, a lot, you are going to get a lot of profit. Okay. And one advice I want to give you, if you want to start drop shipping, do not overprice your drop shipped items. Don't overprice it, so that they can come later and buy from you. If you overprice it, others are advertising in different prices. They might not come back to you. So do not overprice your drop shipped product. That is how I was able to earn 300 Ghana cedi, because I had 5 different people buying items from me that particular day, and I made 300 Ghana cedi from my drop shipped products. I did not see the customer, I did not see the supplier, and I also did not see anybody else. I didn't see the product. Also, the product was delivered to the customer by my supplier, and that is how I was able to make that amount of money in 24 hours. Thank you so much for watching. If you want videos of this nature, please click the subscribe button if you haven't yet, and comment below. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in my next video. Bye.